Okay, 46, here we go. It says let f be a differentiable function. About 90% of the time, that clue does not help me. So I don't ignore the clue, but I 90% of the time just kind of leave it alone. So f is differentiable such that f of 3 equals 15. Whatever. F of 6 equals 3. F prime of 3 is negative 8. F prime of 6 is negative 2. I really don't have any idea why they gave me all those. That is not information that's helping with anything, so I just keep reading. The function g is differentiable, and g is the inverse of f. Okay, I have yet to encounter an AP problem after having studied hundreds of them, where they make a statement like this, and they do not want me using the following formula. This is on your green sheet. We've never used it before, so this is the first time. On the green sheet, there's a formula that says the derivative of f inverse of x. I can't remember exactly what I typed. There's a couple of different ways to type that. Yeah. The derivative of f inverse of x is equal to 1 over f prime of f inverse. So I've never seen an AP problem ever in studying them for 12 years that they give you a clue like this and they don't end up using this formula. So when I see that clue, I just pull right out of my memory that I need this. Okay? Then it says, what is the value of g prime of 3? So we're looking for g prime of 3. Okay? Looking for g prime of 3. From this point on in the problem, there's nothing really to teach you. It's just a matter of you getting good at using the equal sign, like recognizing what is equal to what. To kind of get you started here, they want us to find g prime of 3, which means I'm supposed to take the derivative of g. Well, g is f prime. Hey, that's why I need this formula, because I need the derivative of f prime. Wave if you need me to talk through that sequence again. Just wave at me. So they want me to find g prime of 3, so that the thought sequence is I need the formula for g prime first. Well, that means I need the derivative of g. But g is the same thing as f inverse. So I need the derivative of f inverse. That's why I need the formula. Wait if you need me to. Okay, cool. So this is going to equal, write this on your paper, the derivative of f inverse at an x value of 3, which according to the formula will equal 1 all over f prime of f inverse of 3. Questions? Do you need me to repeat anything or say it different? Okay, so we're really, it is just an exercise in looking for clues that will, it's just the equal sign. It really is. So talk to each other. Raise your hand when you can tell me. Like I'm hoping you all see that we need to find this first. F inverse of 3. So the clues are up there. I might need to remind you of something. Sorry, my bad. This is not calculus, but you may not have used it for a while. Let's do a quick refresher on what we mean by inverse. What we mean by inverse. So if I create a table like this, I don't care what the numbers are. Somebody raise your hand, I'll pay you a point. Give me two numbers.
2 and 4.
Oh, crazy. That was exactly what they gave last period. 2 points. I just need any random numbers. Please don't create a pattern.
3 and 7.
Thank you for
Is it the exact same?
fixing the pattern. No, it's different. No. The first one was the same. These are 2 points each. Okay, so if that's my function f, 2 for Sydney. Quick reminder in case you've forgotten. Hands up. What goes there? Sophie?
4 and
2 points. Anybody else want to play? Okay. 2 points. Anyone else want to play? Christian?
10 and 9.
I wrote that wrong, sorry. Freaking everybody out.
I'm like, okay, I'm lost. I thought it was just
Sorry about that. The phone rings and everything. Hate the phone.
It's a very
That's the reason. It's just all right, look up. Anyone have a question? We need questions. You good? Cool. So you do have to remember what inverse means. So talk to each other, and who can figure out what goes here? Hands up. Feel free to talk, but I need to know what goes right. What goes in place of f inverse of 3? Like, what is f inverse of 3 equal to? What is f inverse of 3? Half again. It'll stick in your head way better if you can see it yourself without me telling you. I'm just giving you a second to think. What's f inverse of 3? Let's go, Laura.
6.
So right up here it says f of 6 is 3. That means f inverse of 3 will equal 6. How many saw it? 2 points, 3 for Laura. You didn't need me to talk about it again? So remember here, you can keep going, Liz, I'll just point. The table's telling you that when the function f has an input of 2 and the output is 4, that means the inverse is the reverse. So when 4 is the input, 2 is the output. So here, it says f of 6 is 3. That means when 6 is the input for f, the output is 3. See it now? 2 points. Anybody else? So I need the pen again, but here's what we write. So this becomes equal to, so g prime of 3 is now going to be 1 over f prime of 6. Raise your hand if you know what I'm going to do next. Now what do I do? Tori.
F prime of 6 is -2, so g prime of 3 is -1/2.
Who saw it? 2 points, 3 for Tori. Perfect. You want to talk more? Perfect. Cool.
This is so easy.